Hi guys, this is Teresa, and today I've come again with the cheat me powder for you. I'm sorry a day late because I was busy with some editing. Um, I have to say I think this is my last week because I am not getting 1K subscribers. So probably hoping for this 1 week, and if this doesn't happen, then adios. You won't see me again. Alright, so guys, please subscribe. Today I'll be sneezing alone, just for you guys. I'm hoping that you like it, subscribe it, and leave your comments for me. Yeah? So, here's for Chickney. I tried to sneeze without covering my hand last time, hoping it works. Don't put your nose up. Oh my gosh. Uh, it's difficult for me not to cover my hands, but I'll feel. I think that's about it. Nothing more. Do you want me to try once again? This one last time. And if you don't want it for the last time, then please subscribe. That's about it. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see me again sneezing with chili powder. Thank you. Lots of love. Bye bye.